Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to do this bubble font on your name. So do you see over here, I have my cute little koala named Cookie over here. So I wanted to show you how you would do that. I know there's a lot of scammers out there who say, give me your pet and I'll do it for you. I would never ever trust anyone and give them my pet just to have them change the name. Although it is the only way you can have someone change the name is to give it to somebody, or you can do it yourself. But that no one can change your name for you. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to have to go into a browser like Chrome or Safari or IE, whatever you have. So I'm going to go into my browser. And I'm going to go on Google. So I'm on Google right now, and I just searched bubble text, and then the first one that comes up is this Yay text one. I'm sure there's other ones. You could probably do it in Microsoft Word also, but this Yay text one works pretty well. And then you can put in the name whatever you want. So I am just going to name myself Cheese. I'm going to name myself Cheese Thief. Like that. And then I'm not sure if that's gonna be, they're gonna let me do that, if that's legitimate or not. So let's try it. So then I hit copy over here on this first bubble text. Some of these bubble texts do not work in Roblox. You'll just get hashtags. This, like the big bubbles one, does not work. So now I'm gonna have to go back into my game. So now I'm going into my game again. I have to reload because I am on an iDevice, so you can't do two things at once. It's super annoying. And I am going to change, let me change the pet names because it's easier to see. My name gets like unhighlighted. We'll name this cat the Cheese Thief over here. So let's dress up this cat, change the name. I don't know if it's too long, so I'm a little worried about that. Let's see if I get hashtags or not. Oh, I don't get hashtags, yay! And then we're gonna close it. Oh, it's so small though. But you can see that my little ginger cat is now named the Cheese Thief. Oh my goodness, look at how cute that is. So that's how you would do it. You go on the website, you go to Yay Text. There's other fonts that you could probably use too. You can play around with it. Don't give somebody else your pet to do this. You could totally do it yourself. Let me know if there's any other questions that you have about Roblox Adopt Me. I'm not the professional, but I will try to answer them. So just comment below if you like this tutorial and let me know what else you'd want to see. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye now.